What's the real difference between a coin and a token? One runs the system, the other builds on it.
Think of coins as operating systems and tokens as applications built on top.
It's the same structure as your phone. The OS supports all the apps you use.
In the next 8 minutes, you'll know exactly how to tell them apart and why it matters.
Let's start with a simple framework. 5 ways coins and tokens differ.
Coins act like the operating system itself. They run and secure the blockchain.
Tokens are like apps that run on those systems, following their rules and resources. Bitcoin is a single-purpose operating system focused on storing and sending value.
Ethereum is a multi-purpose OS that powers thousands of decentralized applications. Every app pays a little gas. That's ETH, the native coin.
Tokens inherit Ethereum's security, but add their own logic.
NFTs are unique tokens representing digital assets.
Together, they form a connected ecosystem. Next time, ask yourself that question.
Coins secure. Tokens create utility.
So far, coins are systems, tokens are applications.
Let's go deeper.
A coin is the native asset of a blockchain. It powers and secures the network.
Coins handle these 3: security, transaction fees, and incentives.
Bitcoin secures itself with proof of work, simple and reliable.
Ethereum now uses proof of stake, faster and more efficient.
Each blockchain designs its operating system differently. Some focus on speed, others on scalability. A coin's tokenomics, how it is issued, how much exists, heavily influence its value.
Coins often reflect the health of their ecosystems. The stronger the network, the stronger the coin.
But every coin carries risk, from technical flaws to governance or legal uncertainty.
Always read the white paper, check its consensus model, and study its roadmap.
Here's your 5-point checklist before you trust any coin.
Now let's move to tokens, assets built on top of existing blockchains.
Utility tokens power app functions, like credits or in-game points.
Governance tokens give holders voting rights on how apps evolve.
Some tokens represent other assets, like stablecoins pegged to the dollar or gold-backed tokens.
DeFi tokens, such as UNI or AAVE, grant governance or fee participation rights.
NFTs are special tokens that represent unique digital items, like art, music, or in-game assets.
Tokens don't automatically give you legal ownership or company shares.
Beware of over-minted or unaudited tokens. They're often traps.
Always check the audit reports, token distribution, and vesting schedules.
Test for real utility, active users,
and clear purpose before you trust a token.
Coins form the foundation. Tokens build on top of them.
Tokens pay their transaction fees in the blockchain's native coin.
When you trade tokens on a DEX, gas is always paid in the coin.
These token standards keep everything compatible across apps and wallets.
Apps can even migrate between blockchains, as long as they share the same standards.
But when the base blockchain gets congested, all its tokens slow down too.
A strong operating system,
Attracts more apps.
great apps bring users, and users.
Boost the value of the coin.
These three connections, fees, security, and standards, tie coins and tokens together. Mistake 1, assuming every token is a coin.
Mistake 2, buying hype tokens with zero purpose or utility.
Mistake 3, ignoring token unlock schedules that can flood supply.
Mistake 4, skipping contract audits and trusting unknown tokens.
Here's a quick way to protect yourself.
Step 1, know if it's an OS or an app. Step 2, verify its standard.
Then analyze tokenomics, real user activity, and code audits.
Do verify, don't FOMO.
Remember, coins are operating systems. Tokens are applications.
Understand the system before diving into the apps.
Coins focus on security, decentralization, tokenomics, developer activity, and adoption.
Tokens look at utility, real users, revenue, allocation, and risk.
Here's your challenge. Classify 5 projects you know. Coin or token?
This content is for education, not financial advice.
Subscribe to Crypto Compass to learn crypto.
The simple, safe way.
Next up, what gas fees are
And how to save on them.